10 best foods for muscle gain. Building muscle isn't just about lifting weights, it also depends heavily on what you eat. The right foods supply your body with the protein, healthy fats, and nutrients it needs to repair and grow stronger. Here are the top 10 foods for muscle gain to support your fitness journey. 1. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete plant-based protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's an excellent choice for muscle repair and growth, especially for vegetarians or vegans. 2. Salmon. Packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps reduce inflammation and improves recovery after tough workouts, supporting lean muscle development. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a muscle-building staple. Rich in protein, healthy fats, and nutrients like vitamin D and choline, they support muscle repair and growth efficiently. 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles over several hours. It's ideal for muscle maintenance, especially overnight. 5. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are a great plant-based protein source. They're high in fiber and essential nutrients, making them a valuable food for sustained energy and muscle support. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt combines protein and probiotics. It supports muscle recovery while also promoting digestive health, both important for consistent training. 7. Lean beef. Lean beef offers complete protein, iron, and zinc, all critical for muscle growth and energy metabolism. Choose lean cuts to keep fat intake in check. 8. Almonds. Almonds provide protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E. They help with muscle repair and reduce oxidative stress after intense exercise. 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbs and fiber, helping to refill glycogen stores and fuel workouts, which is essential for consistent muscle growth. 10. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with iron, calcium, and antioxidants. It supports muscle function and helps your body recover from physical stress. Incorporating these top 10 foods for muscle gain into your daily meals, along with regular training and adequate rest, can significantly enhance your muscle building results. Choose nutrient-dense options and fuel your body for lasting strength. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.